is Marina. I'm a fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content creator here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and my blog at her Millennial Closet. If this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome sis. If you're returning back, hey boo. You know I love you guys. Now let's get into the video. So if you haven't been here, if it's your first time, you will not know this, but earlier this year I made a wish list of products that are on my wish list and I want to buy. And number one was the Dyson Air Wrap. I've been wanting this bad boy. Oh, the Dyson is on the top right here. I've been wanting this for so long, probably for like 2-3 years now. It's been on my wish list. And it's a product that I just wanted to have. I'm a girl mom. I wanted something that I can use for both myself and my daughter. And I wanted an investment piece. I also I was okay with buying a secondhand from Facebook Marketplace, but it's a hair product. I don't know what's coming from the other person's hair to transfer to my hair and my daughter's hair. So I just chose to bite the bullet and buy a brand new one. And if you look on Nordstrom website, I think they sell it for like $6.50. Everywhere else is the same price. However, good on me, I walked into my Costco store and it was on sale. It was $150 off. So I ended up paying $4.50 for this. And I also had store credit from our phone company. At the time, we just transferred from one phone company to the next. And it gave us a $300 Costco credit. So I ended up paying less than $200 for this in my defense. So it was a good find. It was a good sale. I do use this on my daughter's hair and I'll talk about it later, but I want us to go through it and everything that comes with the Dyson. So it does come with a case, a travel case, which I don't have with me right now, but this is how the inside look. It's very soft and cushiony and very luxe. When I tell you this thing is luxurious, I love it so much. The first thing, it is the wand, the actual wand that comes with this, because everything else is magnetic and it sticks to it. I'll put a picture of everything on the screen that comes with the Dyson so you can see them as I walk through this. So this is the actual wand, and the cord is long enough for good. However, this is for the American side, for outlet. So if you're going to travel with this, I would highly recommend you get an adapter to travel with, because you cannot get it on this phone. Now, my favorite part of this is the ventilation system that's around this. It's very, very quiet. For me to boldly tell you that I use it on my less than 2-year-old hair, I know what I'm doing. And they have the option to put these are the different buttons we have. Okay, they have the high, low heat options. I use her on the pure air and she doesn't even hear the machine going off, so it doesn't bother her. The first time I was going to use it, and I'll be honest, I was very, very scared, but her dad held her and we just tried it and she just sat there. She didn't move. There's no heat. I don't use the heat on her hair. I have a very soft hair and this thing leaves my hair looking like I put a perm or relaxer in it. And I don't. Here's my daughter hair without the Dyson. I haven't used it on her hair in the past 2 to 4 weeks now, 2 weeks, because I haven't washed her hair since. But this is her. I'm getting ready to put a hair clip in her hair. My daughter have thick hair, extremely thick. We have 2 different textures of hair. Why I use it on her, because it helps me with kind of putting some type of release in her hair before I braid it or put any styling tool into it. I don't put gel in my daughter hair. My daughter hair care routine is very, very, very limited. I don't do too much. We use less than 5 products. I said this in another video and I told you guys, I'm not the mom that's able to do 10-15 product care steps for my child. So I found a lazy mom hack that helped me with hair growth. My daughter was born with lots of hair and then she started losing all of them around 7 months. Most people know this happened to children, and in our culture in Liberia, they will recommend you cut the baby hair so it can grow back. my husband and I didn't want to do that. Her dad wasn't even having it. He was like, not on my watch. We're not cutting my child's hair. So I had to find a quicker way to help her hair grow back without putting too much chemical into her hair. So I can do a whole separate video on what the products I use on her hair and how I maintain her hair growth. But the dowsing is part of her hair routine. I use this on cool air because it gives you the option to do. If you look here on the side, if you look at these buttons, you'll see it have red and blue options. The blue, as you see, because I used it on her last time, it's on blue. The blue is for cold air only. And then they have the different height you want it. You want it very low and medium and very high. So we were on medium that day. Some days very low. When I just wash your hair and it's wet, I use cold air on medium speed. And it's perfect. We don't even use it for more than 3 minutes, and it gives me the release I'm looking for in order to do her hair. So if you're worried about using this on children, it's actually quite good and safe and not too loud. Now, it comes with different brush. The most brush I use on her hair is this one, and I'll show you how it locks. So this is the top of it, and that's where you see the ventilator is, if that's the right word I'm using. And then you just click it in, and then it stays. So on the back of it, there's the lock for open and close, and it just stays on there. And then once it stays, you can lock it or open it, and then you remove it. And I love how lengthy the handle is, so it kind of helps me to be a little bit further away from her without being too close and kind of like, you know, overstimulating her. So again, I just don't use this on my daughter. I'm just telling you, I use it on myself too, but this was purchased for the both of us. Now here is another brush that comes with it. It's the same brush, but this one is more stronger for more thicker grown hair, in my opinion. So I don't use this on her. I tend to use this one on her because it's more gentle and more softer on her hair. If I want to put some type of volume or put some type of curl in her hair, I use the blow dryer part. This is the blow dryer connector, and these things are so light. The reason why I don't use the blow dryer to dry her hair, because they have the little poking thing. Even though it doesn't poke her, I try not to use it. I just go in with the comb. It's like using a hot comb. If you grew up Black African, you know hot comb was always a thing for us. So that's why I tend to use this one more. So this is the blow dryer piece. I use this one on myself. And again, my hair is not really long. And it's quite thin, it's quite soft, so I get this. My last blow dryer I purchased was over 10-12 years ago, and I still have it. However, I invested in this because I couldn't use that on my child's hair because I just feel like it's too grown for her. But the Dyson is a quality product to use on her. As a girl mom, I invested in a lot of good things for my child. And I think because she's the first child and only child, I tend to go all out when it comes to her, and I can see she and I using this for years to come and ages to come, and we're not going to run out of it. It's quite easy to clean. Now, because I don't have long, extensive hair, I can't show you what I've done with my hair with it. I just usually just wash it and blow dry it and go with it. I've been in braids since March or April, so there's not much to do with my hair on these, but I use it quite often on the baby, so that's why I'm showing you guys. I just want to tell you about my clothing brand. It's called Swap Clothing. If you're looking to support a Black-owned brand, please check out Swap Clothing. Here are some of our designs. Check us out. We're made here in Houston. I cannot wait to send you guys your orders, so check out your girl and support her. I've shown you guys the 2 different brushes and the blow dryer. And then this is actually also a rolling, but it's a rolling wand that you attach here as well. And it's easy to come off. You just press the button in the back and it come off. And then you put it back on it. And then you press the button down for open and then it goes in and it just sits in. I have not used this one yet. I don't know quite yet how to use it. Again, I'm new to the Dyson. I'm just giving you guys a review of it. I'm new to it, so I'm still learning the different functionality and pieces of it. There's another big one. I didn't bring it upstairs to show y'all. It helps with the suction. I think that's the suction piece. I don't have it with me. Those are all the pieces that come with, by the way. Again, you can see everything that comes with it. Again, this is something that's been on my wish list for years, and I really wanted it, and I'm so glad I got it. The two most pieces that I use are these two. With this one, the blow dryer for myself, and this one is the blow dryer comb for my daughter. It usually straightens her hair as I wanted to. Again, you're looking at me like, girl, you can't, I know what I'm doing, I promise. It's also, she's a baby. When you wash that hair, I mostly wash her hair in the evening when her dad's around. I'm not going to let her to go to bed with wet hair, so we need this to dry really quickly. And it does it so fast. In like 10-15 minutes, it's done. I don't even go past 5 minutes. And it's dry, it's quick, it's easy, and it's good to go. There are two rollers here for... these are not rollers, but you know what I mean. To try to give your hair curls, to put curls in your hair. These are the ones that when you put on it, it like grabs and roll and drops. I have not done that. I am going to. So this year I decided to do more protective hairs for myself because my hair was going so bad. My whole edges was gone. I was starting to get some bald spots, not like in the back. So I decided to just go straight on braids. This is my third braid style since April. I keep it on every 6 weeks. The first braid was only on for 3 weeks, and then the second one was for 6 weeks. This one is going to be on for 6 weeks. I think we're in the 4th week already. So when we hit September, I'm going to transition to sew-ins because I just want my hair to grow and not just abuse it. I was so adamant on cutting my hair because I just felt like I wasn't using my hair much. I always wore wigs. I wear a wig cap a lot. And my cousin was like, the reason why your hair isn't growing is because you use so much wigs. You need to switch and try something else, which is true. So that's why when I put in my sew-ins, I'm excited to try these two pieces because I have a curler that has different sizes of curling wands like these. So that's been with me for over a decade. I do keep things. I do take really good care of products. So this is something that I know is going to last years to come with me. And I can't wait to see how my child use it in middle school, in high school, in college, and just see how we can do well. And if you know anything about Dyson, it comes with warranty on them. So if any of the parts stops working, you can send it back to them. Overall, I love how quiet it is. I love how quick it does the work. And I love how gentle it is. As a parent, I don't want to put something in my child's hair that's going to be very like irritating for her. For me to be comfortable putting it on my almost 2-year-old hair, I can tell you for a fact it's actually quite a good stuff. Now, it's not everybody that's going to go spend $650 on these. What's it called? The Nordstrom anniversary sale is coming. I know they put these on sale. The Amazon Prime Day sale is coming. So I would definitely say check that. I'm going to link it in the product. Some places currently have it on sale for $450. I will link it. The other way you can get it, which is what I was planning on doing until I went to Costco, was to buy it with my points. So I have an American Express card and I have a Chiz Sapphire card. I don't touch my points. The last time I used my points was to buy a flight ticket. For me to be able to have over $500 in points to buy a flight, you should know I don't touch my points. My points stays until I truly, really desperately need it. So like right now I have enough to buy another flight because we have a wedding that we have to go to, so I'm going to use my points. So maybe you can use that for your credit card points. Check your local Costco to see if it's on sale. Check the various sales that's coming up. There's a lot of sales coming up this summer. July 4th, anniversary sales, Prime sale. You will find these on. I was not... Would I pay full price for this? Probably not. But again, I paid like $155 for these because it was on sale and I had still credit. So yeah. Is it worth it? Yes, I think. This is my second Dyson product. We have the air purifier downstairs in our room. When I gave birth to my daughter, we got this for the air purifier for the room because we just needed that. And that was a $600 piece that I got for $250 because, again, I have Macy's points and it was on sale. I am a bargain hunter, okay? But overall, would I recommend this? Yes, it is a good product. I love it. I love the quality of it. I love how sleek it is. My aunt is a beautician, and she said this is something that's on her wish list to get. My aunt that braids my hair for her clients because the quality of it is really good. And as a mom, as a girly, 10 over 10 recommend. There you go. I want to drop you off on the blog. It is www.hermillennialcloset.com. If you're a reader, head on to the blog, subscribe. I sent out newsletter every month. And then I post on the blog twice a month from what's new to my closet, from what finds I have going on. Everything is posted on the blog. So check it out. All right. Now, if you have any questions for me on this product, please leave it in the description below. It doesn't heat up where your hands are like hot. The air comes through here and it flows out of here. So you can feel the air, like the breeze leaving out of it. The cord is long enough. I've never had to use extension on it. Does it soften my hair and dry my hair really well? Yes. Also, in its defense, I have a softer hair texture. I don't know what my hair texture is. I know people have different names for their hair texture. 4C, something C. I don't know what mine is. Maybe I need to go to a beautician so they can tell me. Maybe I'll ask my aunt when I go do my hair next so she can tell me. But I don't know what my hair texture is, so I cannot tell you, say this is the texture and this is what it does, but I know it does make my hair softer and blow dry really well quickly. And as a busy mom, you need something to do like this and be gone. So, and I like that. My daughter has probably a 4C hair or more because her hair is a lot more thicker. Like I said, here's a picture of her hair again. Her hair is a lot more thicker than mine is, so I cannot and this does the work just fine. I only use it on my hair for less than 5 minutes. We don't even stay 5 minutes because the thing just dries it quick. So yeah, 10 over 10 recommend. Would I purchase this again for someone as a gift? Yes, I would recommend. If it wasn't on sale, would I pay the full price? Yes, to be very transparent, because it's quite a good product and I really love it. So yeah, that is my review of the Dyson Air Wrap. I've been having it for I got this back in March, so I've been having it for 3 months. I wanted to use it, see how well it works with me and my child before I talk to you guys about it. So let me know again if you have any questions in the comments. I would explain everything that I know. But yeah, that's how long I've been having it, and this is how much I love it. So that was my review of the Dyson Air Wrap. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye. Thank you for hanging out with me. God bless you, and bye.